Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and welcome back to another video. Right now, my voice is gone, bro. I don't even know how I lost it. Dave was with me last night, bro. How the hell did I lose my voice? Nobody knows. Today is the day of the Raptor 4 release, and I'm late because I had a long night last night. Didn't wind up going to bed till like 3 o'clock. It's already like 9, so I'm leaving the house at like 9:15. It's 9:20. Damn, it's 9:20. I'm leaving the house right now at 9:20, and the thing is, most stores here in Atlanta are first come, first serve. Everybody wants these, bro. So it's gonna be funny if these don't sell out, because y'all gonna be like, oh man, you was rushing to get a general release shoe. I don't give a damn. Y'all know me, man. Y'all know your boy. If I see something I like, you know what I'm saying, I cop it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of money, you feel me? Big bang, you know what I'm saying? A lot of money, you feel me? No matter what the cost is, you know what I mean? 5,000, 3,000, I got it like that, boy. Like Fab said, you know what I'm saying? I just throw it in the bag, you know what I'm saying? That's real rap right there. You know what I'm saying? It really ain't nothing to me, you know what I'm saying? I get down like that.
Yo, stop lying. You chill. Oh, man.
Anyway, y'all, I want to know if these gonna sell out, and I think they are, all right? Because the human races dropped today. I didn't know to leave the house to go for these Raptor 4s or to stay at the crib and try to use my desktop for the actual human races, bro. So I'm torn in between the two right now. Torn in between the two, because I really want to be with you. Boy, you got vocals, huh, cuz? I didn't know which one to go for, but at the end of the day, I wanted these Raptor 4s more. I remember seeing pictures of these when they first broke online, and this shit was fire. No cap, no hype. This shoe is fucking fire flames. I'm in a rush right now to make it to Greenbrier Mall. I'm already late. It's first come, first serve. I think the doors open up at 10, but when you camping out, I think they let some people in at 9:30. So I'm just about to hope it's not 3,000 hood niggas who all hit scams on this weekend. I'ma just hope, you know, every ratchet baby mama didn't get child support this weekend. I'ma just hope that every nigga from the south side of Atlanta didn't come up on the dice game last night. I'ma just hope those NFL preseason bets that niggas be making on the side didn't come through. Because if all that was to happen, your boy, Dave,
Oh, you fucked.
I'm assed out. Hey, my boy Sauce Delgado, this one's for you, boy.
White coupe for the weekend, big bitch Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay or California for the weekend. I won't sack and do these, so you gotta bring about 3 friends. Don't flex, don't pretend. You know we spend it in. $50,000 advance in my account. Running off them bands with my plans, and that's how.
Alright guys, we just pulled up at the mall. Man, my voice is hella trash right now. Just pulled up to the mall. I already see a line right here, which is not good. But like I said, it don't look like it's too many people. First come, first serve. So hopefully that means it's a lot of pairs. Because when it's a lot of pairs, that means you got an opportunity to pick up your shoe. I see mall security already up here controlling the line. So it's looking kind of dead for me recording. Lighting trash in it be. But what the hell is going on? I'm going to see what's going on real quick, y'all. I'm trying to flip the camera so y'all can see what I see. Y'all on for the release? Alright, bet, so it's not that bad. I woke up late, but this is just the line. This is it, right here. That's it. Basically, it's a guaranteed pair, it should be. It's only like 6, 7 people in front of me. Y'all knew to meeting Dave, bro. Dave is my son. Say what's up to Dave.
What's going on, man?
He's my son.
Hey, let me tell you something, nickel. I ain't your damn son, alright? We'll get that straight. Bro, that's on dog. None, alright?
Damn, Dave, I ain't know it was like that, bro.
Yeah.
Never seen you act like that. I don't remember the last pair of Jordans that was first come, first serve, and people actually wanted. Usually when a pair of Jordans first come, first serve, nobody really want them. But now, these Raptor 4s, where a lot of people really looking to get them. And I think more people want these than they want the actual, the Pharrell joints. Because the Pharrell joints is dropping at 10 o'clock. And everybody telling me I should go here first before I try to pick up the Pharrells. Because you can get them from basically retail right now. David, this is your first time actually, you know, like, I don't know if you can call this camping. This is your first time camping for shoes, bro?
First time.
That what's up, boy? You did it with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Run me your damn sneakers. Run me your sneakers. If you win a pair, I want them. Run me your damn sneakers. Yeah, man. Alright, the line is moving. We about to head inside and pick up these pairs, but y'all already know that Foot Locker literally hates me vlogging. They never let me vlog in here. If it wasn't for them, I would vlog in here, but I know it's gonna be hard. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can without making it obvious. But the funny thing is, Dave wasn't even gonna cop these until dude came and asked for everybody's size. And he was standing right next to me and he was like, 11 and a half.
I ain't saying that now, but I got him, and I want him right now.
12.
217.
Thank you.
Hello.
Ear mission complete.
Yo, what going on, boy? I got me a pair, boy.
Yo, I don't know what in the hell got into Dave, but he tripping. What up, y'all? I got my pair, man. Even Dave got his pair, and he didn't even know that they was gonna drop. You feel me? My boy Dave didn't even know it was gonna drop, and he still came up on dog. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Had like, feel like 3 bands on it, man. You know what I'm saying? You already know what's going on, man. Big bang take little bang. That's you, little bang.
Was it Chick-fil-A? Why? I was in Chick-fil-A, bro. But it's Chick-fil-A. It's a Chick-fil-A. Ain't going to Chick-fil-A. Yo, Dave, I just thought about something, Dave. We can match. We can wear the same shoes at the same time.
No.
You know what?
No.
Wait. We can wear the same.
No. No. No, man. Open the damn door. Open the door.
Don't say nothing to me. Alright guys, what is going on, man? Back at the crib, finally, after a nice little easy day of getting these Raptor 4s. Now, as y'all seen, a very easy day, surprisingly, to get these Raptor 4s. Now, as I was saying in the line when I was camping out, this shoe was not really available for a lot of stores in Atlanta. With that being said, usually when shoes are more limited in your area, it gives you an idea that they are harder to get. But for whatever reason, me and my boy Dave, man, we walked up in the Greenbrier. It was probably about, what, 6 or 7 people in front of us, and we got our pairs. I want y'all to let me know, did y'all transition go as smooth as ours did? You know what I'm saying? I really want to know because it's like 10 o'clock and I don't even know if they sold out on Sneakers app. I'm about to check right now. Damn, they did, man. They sold out on Sneakers app. That's kind of crazy. For a shoe to sell out like that on Sneakers app, man, that fast, it's only like what? 10:30, so they sold out all sizes in 30 minutes. Think about that for a second. He got Game 13 set for like 2 or 3 days. That's crazy because that's an OG true colorway, and the Raptor 4s is just a made-up colorway. Nice shoe though, don't get me wrong, the shoe is fire, but it's not an original colorway, so you would think it won't be as dope as an original as like a He Got Game, something that's one of the best 13s in my opinion. Like He Got Games are still in malls right now, but maybe that also got to do with a lot of stock volume. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they didn't have a lot, maybe they did. I don't really know. But for the moment we've been waiting for, man, y'all know I haven't opened up the box yet. I like to wait so I can just get a first impression with y'all, you know what I'm saying? See what they got going on, boy. Appreciate it, big dog. Get that on up out of here. Let's see what they looking like. Oh, these boys is clean. Super clean, bro. Look at this shoe, bro. This shoe is exactly what I wanted it to be. And the reason why I'm happy because it looks like exactly how I wanted it to be is because when Jordan Brand puts out pictures, a lot of the pictures can be very deceptive and a lot of sneakers look better on camera than actually in person. This shoe is amazing. I'm not gonna go into all details, but this suede on the upper is soft as hell, bro. This ain't regular soft, bro. This that bad chick with the big booty soft. This that Tempur-Pedic mattress soft. But this is goddamn Krispy Kreme hot and ready soft. Yeah, this material is definitely very soft, man. I love how they incorporated the Raptor colorways perfect. It's not too much, it's not, you know what I'm saying, not a lot, but it just works perfectly. I have the Raptor 7 DMPs, man, so this is dope to throw these in the collection. I don't have the original Raptor 7s. I had them, but I sold them way back when I was in like, I don't know, bro. I think I just moved to Atlanta when I sold them. I remember selling them to somebody at my first job in Atlanta, and I want them back already. Once again, man, let me know what you guys think about this shoe down below in the comment section, and let me know if you picked up your pair. You guys also check out some of the new content I've been putting up. I know a lot of you guys are used to the sneaker content only. All the sneaker content only is fine. You know, like I told y'all, I'm still gonna do my pickups, and tomorrow I'm still dropping a full in-depth review on these and on foot, so please be looking forward to that because it's gonna be fire, boy. I still do my sneaker thing, you know, I'm always gonna love shoes, I'm always gonna collect, I'm always gonna buy and do reviews. But as of lately, I've been making a lot of great content, and I don't feel like it's getting the proper amount of love because you guys are used to me just being a sneaker channel when I'm trying to branch out. I'm not really trying to put myself in a box by only making sneaker content. So you guys need to go back and check out some of my latest vlogs that have nothing to do with sneakers because they're still fun, they're still entertaining, the editing is crazy, and it's still very dope, I'm telling y'all. Make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel right now. I'm at like 10,680, I think. Something like that. I don't really be able to keep up, bro. But look, the grind is to 10,000. So if you're new to this channel, please hit that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button because we're trying to hit 10,000 before the end of the year. Let's make that happen. 10,000 before the end of the year, I do a giveaway. Like, if we can hit that 10,000, giveaway giving. Like let's run it, boy. Don't forget to check out the new content, man. I've been dropping. It's been fire. And until next time, man, I will catch up with y'all. Follow me on social media or just right there in your bottom right-hand corner. Damn, is it in the right hand? Right-hand corner, Sniper Jones. And I don't know, man, chop it up with me. I get back to all my DMs. I get back to all my mentions and all of my comments down below. So let me know what's going on, man. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Gang, gang.